y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making cinnamon apples. Let's start with a preheated pan. We're going to add in some cornstarch slurry. This will help thicken in your sauce. Next we're going to add in some unsalted butter. Once your butter starts to melt, go ahead and start adding in your brown sugar. Mixing your brown sugar with your butter and cornstarch slurry. And continue to mix until everything is fully incorporated. Now, go ahead and drizzle in some honey. Mixing your honey and let everything heat up together. Now, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle in some nutmeg and cinnamon. Mix that in really well. Now add in your apples. We're going to go ahead and continue to mix this for about 1 minute. You're going to turn off your stove, that way that your sauce can thicken up with your apples. You want that nice pretty glaze on top. This is optional, but I also added in more brown sugar to help thicken up that sauce. And you're just going to go ahead and mix that in. I also topped it off with some more cinnamon. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.